Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, you don't currently have permission to access this folder fix in Windows 11, 10. Right-click Folder, click Properties. Click Security tab. Click Edit. Select Authenticated Users, check all Allow Permission. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.